Friends, today I'm going to tell you about a business opportunity that many are unaware of. Today, millions of hardware parts, electrical appliances, certain cosmetics, stationery, and other consumer products are manufactured every day around the world. And have you ever wondered how each of these products survives rain, heat, humidity, or long distance transportation to reach the market safely? This is where blister packaging machine plays an important role. But many people make a big mistake right at the beginning. They first buy the machine and only then start looking for customers. In reality, this approach can make the business risky. So in this video, we are going to take a detailed look at the complete business model of this industry. Please watch the video in its entirety. Remember that this video is made for educational and informational purposes only. Before starting any business, conduct your own market research. Understand the relevant regulations and carefully assess the potential risks involved. So come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market overview and opportunity. Let us begin by understanding the market. There are many small manufacturers and businesses that manufacture various products, for which packaging is a very important requirement. And in some areas, they face challenges due to the lack of packaging machinery. In particular, India has a large pharmaceutical manufacturing sector, and pharmaceutical products often require specialized packaging and strict quality controls. This is where the demand for this industry comes from. A local blister packaging service can effectively meet a critical need for such businesses. Therefore, you can focus your business model on packaging other manufacturers' products. However, not all products are suitable for blister packaging, as the pharmaceutical industry has very strict regulations. If there is a slight defect in the packaging seal, or if moisture enters the package for any reason, the entire order may be rejected. That's why this profession is not so easy. However, if you provide quality products, deliver on time, and earn the trust of your customers, you may be able to build a sustainable service business over time. Who is your actual customer? Now the next question is, who will come to you to have their products packaged? Your potential customers may be small and medium-sized manufacturers who need unique blister packaging for their products. This includes hardware products, electrical appliances, small parts, medicines, cosmetics, stationery, and other related retail products. However, the suitability depends on the specific product. Here, you need to take a smart approach. First, meet with 5 to 10 manufacturing companies, understand their needs, and purchase the machines after getting approval for the model. This type of conversation will not only help you find customers, but it will also provide insights into the real market. You will gain valuable information before making any investment. Licenses and registrations. Now let's look at licenses and registrations. It's important to clearly understand one thing. Your specific requirements will depend on factors such as the product being packaged and the location of the business. Generally, depending on your business structure and situation, you may consider Udyam or MSME registration. Meanwhile, GST registration may become mandatory based on business turnover and applicable regulations. Furthermore, if you plan to package pharmaceutical products, you may need to comply with specific requirements regarding licensing, quality control, documentation, storage, and regulations under applicable pharmaceutical laws. The exact requirements will depend on the nature of your operations, the product itself, and the relevant state and central authorities. Before entering this field, consult the relevant drug control authority and a qualified regulatory professional. Required space. Friends, since this is a small-scale machine-based business, many people think they can easily start working by placing the machine in an empty room at home. However, the practical reality is a bit different. You require a workspace suitable for safely operating the machinery, properly stacking raw materials and storing finished goods without damaging it. Furthermore, proper electrical connections, ventilation, lighting, and safe working environment for the machine are also very important. Additionally, while it may seem wise to start a business with a small and tidy setup initially, as orders increase in the future, you may need more space to store raw materials. Install additional machinery and allow employees to move around. Raw materials and machinery. Now let's look at the machines and raw materials. The blister packaging process typically uses a blister packing machine and a closing material with labels, inserts, or secondary packaging. depending on the customer's needs. However, the exact materials used will vary based on the type of product and the machine configuration. You can find machinery suppliers through B2B marketplaces such as IndiaMart, Alibaba and Trade India, as well as directly from manufacturers. However, purchasing a machine based solely on a product catalog is risky. Also, machine operators should follow the manufacturer's operating instructions, use appropriate PPE, and ensure that electrical installation and machine guarding meet applicable safety requirements. Required investment. Friends, it would not be right to specify a specific fixed amount for investment in the blister packing industry. This is because the total cost can vary significantly depending on factors such as machine capacity, the level of automation, the type of product, the location, and the volume of production. Also, apart from the machine, you will also need to allocate funds for installation, electrical facilities, tables and storage facilities, tools, raw materials, packaging materials, maintenance, transportation, and working capital. Therefore, first confirm the market demand and then calculate the investment amount, or consult a business consultant. Production process. First, the specifications regarding the product and packaging must be fully confirmed. Next, the molding material is loaded into the machine, and depending on the machine configuration, the forming material is heated and shaped to create the required cavities. The products are then inserted into these cavities. After the product is placed, the lidding material is placed over it and sealed using controlled heat and pressure. After sealing, the blister sheet is cut to the required shape and size. Depending on the product and business needs, this may include additional stages such as coding, labeling, or additional packaging. After sealing, the packages should be inspected for seal integrity, appearance, dimensions, labeling, and other customer-specific quality requirements. Finally, the approved packages are placed in outer carton packaging and shipped to the customer. Although this process may sound simple, maintaining consistency is crucial in actual commercial operations. Friends, starting a business using a blister packaging machine can be an interesting opportunity. However, do not expect immediate returns the moment you purchase the machine. To succeed in this, it is important to have the right market, the right machine, consistent quality, and regular customers. However, if you invest based solely on the speed of the machine and then look for customers, there is a lot of risk. This video is made for educational and general information purpose only. Before starting a business, personally verify the licenses, registrations, taxation requirements, safety standards, and regulatory requirements relevant to your product type, location, and business model. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.